Welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I got a sweet Boss 351 Mustang here for you. She's grabber blue, beautiful car, rotisserie restored. You're gonna love checking this one out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll get it up on the lift so you can see how beautiful the underside is. We'll get the hood up and check out that Boss motor under the hood. We're gonna take a look at the interior. We'll show you everything you wanna see so you can make a good decision on your Boss investment. So come on up and let's take a look at this Boss. The paint on this car is amazing. What an awesome job the body man did on this baby. The chrome looks great, the grill's nice and straight. All the pinstriping is beautiful. Now this argent color here is laid right on top of the paint. This is a sticker. Of course, we got the Boss 351, we got the Magnums, we got the correct tires on here, the Polyglass GT tires. Door jambs are beautiful, latch looks great, new rubber here. You can hear the door buzzers working in there. And I just love the look of these cars, man. So cool. When I was in high school, one of the kids in high school had one, and I was always so jealous of him. These Boss 351s are so freaking cool. Look in there. We've got the Space Saver spare, the jack, the beautiful mat. Everything about this car is phenomenal. Look at all the paint work here around the trunk opening. All the lips on the trunk lid itself look great. Look down the side of it. Look how nice and straight that paint is. The reflections are beautiful. The doors fit nice to the quarter. The doors operate nice. All the lips here look beautiful. They've got all the stickers here. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spent the time to check the car out before we bought it. We own all of our inventory here at Vanguard. We have over 170 cars in stock right now. Now, when they come back to the shop here, we inspect them so we can answer all your questions when you call at 248-974-9513. Now let's check out the interior. Look at that door panel. That baby looks original to the car and she is phenomenal. The carpeting looks great. That rim blow horn looks great. The steering wheel's in great shape. The center console's in beautiful shape. Of course, we got the Hurst shifter there. We got seat belts in the front and the rear. All the white, all the trim there around the back window looks good. Headliner looks good. Dome lights working. We got the shoulder belts there. Sun visors look good. Dash pad itself is beautiful. And take a look at the gauges. Man, they're beautiful. All right, now that you've had a quick look at the car, if you want to go straight to our website and check out about 180 other cars, hit the top button. If you'd like to watch an About Us video, hit the middle button. If you'd like to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bottom button. Now let's get back out there and check out that car. All right, let's go for a ride in the 71 Boss. You guys that watch the videos every now and then know that I had a buddy in high school had one of these, Kenny. I was so jealous of that car. I had a 67 Cougar, Hypo 289 in it. It couldn't touch that Boss Mustang. He had his all souped up and oh my gosh, every day when he left high school, he's spinning the tires going through the guard shack. Just love that car, and I still love them today. I tell you, it brings back a lot of memories driving this baby. This thing is so sweet. Going through the gears, that top loader is shifting nice. She's driving awesome. Now down here on the dash, the tack is working, the speedo's working. Looks like the gas gauge is working. I heard the fan blowing. Got an AM FM radio making some static here. Windshield wipers are wiping. The horn is blowing, the rim blown horn works. This baby is sweet, guys. 351 Boss Mustang, grabber blue. What else do you want? This thing's rotisserie restored. What a sweet ride she is. And I tell you, everybody who drives by us is cranking their head around and checking it out. And I tell you what, these things are doing nothing but going up in popularity. They've just gotten crazy popular in the last, say, year. Oh my gosh, these are one of the hottest growing markets. And I've always loved these cars. The big block cars, these Bosses are super rare. This one's all numbers matching, it's whole drivetrain. It's been rotisserie restored. What a sweet car. And you know what, at Vanguard, we are shipping experts. We can ship this Boss Mustang anywhere in the world. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tommy would love to tell you all about this Boss. And don't forget, we're right outside the Motor City in Plymouth, Michigan. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. So if you want to fly in to check it out, it's a real easy trip. And don't forget, if you're in town on business, if you need some help getting over here from the airport, give us a call. We'll send somebody down and pick you up at the airport. Moral of the story is, guys, you got to come down and check this car out in person, man. It is sweet. Now, we've got about 175 cars in stock right now. Bunch of rare cars. Of course, we love all the Mustangs. We've got some R codes. We've got a bunch of 69 S codes right now. Look at this baby go. She has got power. You can tell that Boss motor is running awesome. Now stick around, because we're gonna do something you don't often get to see. We're gonna put this baby up on the lift so you can see that it was rotisserie restored. Then we'll get underneath the hood and check out that Boss 351. All right, we're underneath this Boss Mustang now, and she is sweet underneath too. As you can see, beautiful paint on the tank, brand new exhaust, drop downs are body color, frame is body color, trunk floor is body color. You can tell she was rotisserie restored, huh? We got the Ford 9-inch in here, 391 gears in here, and it's posi, and it's a nodular case, all painted up like it should be. Flowmaster mufflers on it, that's cool, that's why she sounds so good. All the wheel wells look nice and solid, floorboard looks great, pinch welds look awesome. Again, you can see this baby's been all painted up real nice. Looks like there's a little bit of sealant right here. I don't know what's going on here. It doesn't look like the floor was replaced, but I do see a little bit of sealant right here. Maybe somebody did a little repair there at one time. Frame is nice and square. It looks beautiful. We got crossover here. The 28 spline trans is numbers matching. That's a top loader, guys. Frame looks great. Torque boxes look great. Pinch welds up here look great. Steering gear looks like it's all brand new. Now the motor, all the date codes line up perfect for the car. They line up, the dates line up with the transmission. We cannot find the VIN on this motor. We have verified that it was a 4-bolt main. We took out the oil plug and stuck the camera up in there, so she is the 4-bolt main. She does have the right part number, the casting number on the block. So along with the casting number, that L at the end and the 4-bolt main tells us this is a Boss motor, and the date code says it was built for this car. We're really 98% confident, numbers matching motor also. Again, everything up here is nice and clean. Everything's been restored nicely. This is one of the nicest 1971 Mustangs I've ever been underneath, and it's a Boss. Let's look at those wheels and tires. Ready? All right, up front here, we got the correct Goodyears. These are the poly glasses. This is what would have come on from the factory. They're F60 15s. These are brand spanking new. The Magnum 500s look fantastic. She does have the disc brakes up front, and they look great. Let's check the rear. Out back, again, great looking Magnums. We do have drum brakes back here, and the guys will pull those all apart, make sure they're all in good working order. And again, brand new poly glass tires, same size, F60 15. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that 351 Boss. All right, under the hood, man, doesn't that look great? Just like it would have looked from the factory. She's got all the tags, she's got all the wiring, all the hoses, all the clamps, everything is correct. The carburetor's correct for the car. It is numbers matching. The intake is correct. The heads are correct. The hood is correct, man. It's just amazing. It's got the right air cleaner on it. The radiator looks great. Everything's nicely painted. Everything is super clean. This is one of the nicest 71 Mustangs I've ever seen, like I said. And she's a boss, guys. Don't miss it. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this boss in your driveway. All right, we've made it really easy for you. Click on any one of these 5 pictures here and it'll take you right to whatever you're interested in. We're gonna give you about 30 seconds here to click these pictures. If you need more time, just go back in the video and click that picture.